Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th Standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the fourth chapter, that is cubes and cube roots. In previous video already I have explained about that how to find out the cube number of a negative numbers and also of a rational numbers. So let us discuss today about the exercise part, that is 4.2 exercise. Friends, I have written on the board some questions we will discuss. See students, first question, find the cubes of minus 12, that is first bit, and minus 12 cube we should find out that. Okay friends, so solution minus 12 cube. Friends, already I have told the cubes of a negative number is always negative. So in this negative number cube, so always answer will come negative. So we should find out first 12 into minus 12 into minus 12 is equal to, friends, how much it will come? 12 means 144 into 12, 2 8 144 8 1728 1728. So answer will come minus. Okay friends, because the cube of that number always negative number of that cube is always negative. Second, that is C students, fourth bit, find the cubes of the following numbers. How can we find out that it is cube? So solution item students, first 6.3 is equal to, if you write this cube is equal to, fraction make 63.10 whole cube. If I have written this fraction, then 3 times we can multiply 63 by 10 into 63 by 10 into 63 by 10. We can multiply that 63 into 63 is equal to 3 3 is 9, 6 3 is 18, 6 3 is 18, 1, 6 is 36, 1, 37, 9, 16, 1, 8, 9, 3, 9, 69. Again multiply with 63. 27 carry 2, 18 2 carry 2, 27 2, 29 2, 3 is 9, 11, 6 9 is 54, 4 carry 5, 6 is 36, 36 5 41 carry 4, 6 9 is 54, 58 carry 5, 6 3 is 18, 18 5 23, 7 4 0 1 0 5 2. So what are you going to answer friends? 250047 by, if you multiply this in thousands. Okay friends, also we can write this, we will make it in decimal, and what we get 250.047, because 3 decimal place from the right side it will come here. Okay, this is our answer. So see students, next observe here, next question B. This is the A. What is that? 3 1 by 4. Okay. So first of all make it fraction, improper fraction. 4 3 is 12. 13 by 4. If we make this whole cube, this we can make the whole cube. Is equal to 13 by 4 into 13 by 4 into 13 by 4. 3 times you have to multiply. Is equal to how much will get friends? 13 13 is 169. So 169 into 13. 2 6 3 is 18 to 22. 3 1 is 3 2 5. Next 9 6 1 7 9 2 1 2 1 9 7 by 4 4 is 16 and 64. So this is our cube of the numbers. Okay friends, next we will go for the fifth bit friends. Fifth bit the B I have written friends here. Observe, this will find out that which cube is this. So instead of that solution we can write friends minus 512 by 2197. Okay friends, so which number it is possible that you have to do. Now first of all 512 factorization do 2 2 is 4, 11 2 5 2 6 is 2 1 जा 2 2 जा 2 8 जा 2 6 जा 4 2 32 2 16 2 8 2 4 2 2 जा 2 1 जा. So 1 2 3 9 2s are there, and we can do this also friends. 2 1 2 1 9 7. Okay friends, so what will go, that is C friends. The cube is there 7. Yes, so 13 we can do. Okay, 13 169 ja 13 equal to 13 it will come. See friends, how it will be. Now you should 169 into 13 multiplied to, you can check. 2 6 3 ja 18 to 22 3 1 3 5 9 6 1 7 9 1 2. Yes, so now what we can write it is equal to, we can write it minus 512. So this we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, by this you can write it 13 into 13 into 13. So friends, what I told you, if it is a negative answer, then compulsory it is a negative. So minus, if you take that this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 by 13 whole cube is equal to 2 to how much? 8. So here we can write it minus, or we can put here also minus number, no problem. Minus 8 by 13 whole cube. So this is, so hence the required number is, the required number is minus 8 by 13. That means this number whole cube is this. Did you understand friends? I hope you have understand, and other remain exercise homework for you. Homework exercise 4.2 remain please. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.